welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited. Today we're going to be doing a Queen of Hearts versus Alice in Wonderland look. So let's get started. First I'm going to be starting off with my foundation, concealer, and powder. Now I'm going to be using the glue to put down my eyebrows so it's easier to cover them up. Now I'm going to use the super light foundation to cover my eyebrows. Now I'm going to use my regular foundation to go over it again. You're just going to repeat these two steps until the eyebrow is covered. Now I'm going to use my light foundation and cover half my face. This is the side I'm going to have the Queen of Hearts on. Powder all over my face. Make sure this is a very light or translucent powder so it doesn't ruin your white side. Now I'm going to use two different eyelashes, one for each character. Take the blue powder and go from my eyelash all the way up to my fake eyebrow. Now I'm using my eyeliner to redraw the eyebrow. I didn't have the right blue for this, so I'm actually using a white to go over and tone it down. Now I'm doing my top and bottom eyeliner, and then I'm also going to be drawing on eyelashes at the bottom. You can do this, or you can just get fake eyelashes for the bottom. Half of the heart-shaped lip, and then I'm going to use white to cover up the outside of my lip. This is white eyeliner that I'm going to be putting on my waterline. Now I'm going to start with my eyebrow on the Alice side of my face. Next I'm doing a natural contour, and then I'm going to do some rosy cheeks. A natural smoky eye with a pop of blue. the lipstick, Alice has a very baby doll type pink, so I'm going to be putting this on and then putting a light sparkly eyeshadow over top. I'm using the same white eyeliner on my waterline. Now I'm using a very light pink to highlight my cheek, my nose, and my forehead area. I'm using that white color one more time to tone down this blue. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I post every Friday and you don't want to miss out. Also, shout out to Sarah Estrada. Thank you so much for my new haircut. I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, what did I think? Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my last one. I did this super cool rainbow look and you don't want to miss that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I say don't forget way too much, don't I?
Oh my gosh. Stay, stupid camera. Ah! I got a new haircut. I got a new haircut. I got a new haircut.